Hello YouTubers. Today I'm going to pick my Brinks home security. I don't know what exactly, what size it is. I guess it's like, standard. I think I saw it in the store a couple days ago. I don't know, I just had it around the house. And, this lock actually false sets, so I will be using short hook and my snake. I'm going to be showing you how false set works eventually, probably in my next couple videos. But you know, Brinks actually is kind of a pain if you don't know how to beat a false set lock. So it's my snake bit. Oh crap, I didn't mean to drop it. And my short hook. Okay, so I'm gonna rake it with not my short hook. This is my short hook, this is my snake. Okay, I'm gonna rake it with my snake. Okay, it just false set. See how the plug is kinda towards the between the 1 and the 2, or the 1 and the 12. Now I'm gonna go in there and pick it with my short hook. Okay, let me. Alright, pink keeps getting stuck. Dang it. Alright, I gotta redo this. Alright, let's get my Okay, there we go. Brinks picked. I'll show you guys how false set locks work. It'll be a real pain in the butt. You gotta get a feel for them. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you guys later.